The U-2 Dragon Lady is a special high-altitude spy aircraft that has been helping the military gather important information for many decades. It was created by Lockheed in the 1950s and is designed to fly extremely high, over 70,000 feet in the sky. This height is much higher than most enemy planes or weapons can reach, which allows the U-2 to safely take detailed photos and collect signals from faraway areas. The aircraft has a single engine and very long, thin wings that help it glide smoothly at high altitudes. However, these same features make the U-2 very difficult to fly. Pilots need special training because the plane is extremely sensitive to control, especially when flying so high where the air is thin. Even landing the plane is challenging and requires extra support on the ground. Throughout history, the U-2 has been used in many major events. It played a key role during the Cold War, the Cuban Missile Crisis, and many modern military missions. Even though today we have satellites and advanced drones, the U-2 Dragon Lady is still considered one of the most trustworthy and iconic spy aircraft ever built. The Embraer Pulse is a futuristic idea that combines a car and an aircraft into one smooth travel system. It was revealed during Embraer's 50th anniversary and shows how future transportation might look. The main feature is a stylish all-glass passenger pod that can work in two ways. First, it attaches to a self-driving car, allowing people to travel on the road. The Airbus Racer is a new high-speed helicopter designed to combine the best features of both helicopters and airplanes. Like a normal helicopter, it can take off and land vertically, but thanks to its smart design, it can also fly much faster than traditional rotorcraft. It uses a main rotor on top, a special V-shaped box wing, and two side pusher propellers. These parts work together to help the Racer. The DSX E10 is a concept car that reimagines driving in 2035. This electric vehicle combines advanced technology with a bold, futuristic design. Its asymmetrical body includes a driver's cockpit and a luxurious, cocoon-like passenger seat, offering both sporty performance and comfort. The car's electric motors provide impressive power, and it features an autonomous driving mode for a relaxed ride. With sustainability at its core, it uses eco-friendly materials, giving a peek into the future of luxury transportation. Though still a concept, the DSX E10 shows the potential for innovation in electric vehicles. While its price is unknown, its striking design and advanced features make it an exciting glimpse into what the future may hold. The AH-64 Apache is one of the world's most powerful attack helicopters, known for its strength and reliability in battle. It is equipped with a 30mm M230 chain gun, up to 16 Hellfire missiles, and Hydra 70 rockets, making it deadly against armored targets. Powered by two General Electric T700 engines, it can reach speeds of around 293 km per hour while staying agile. Its longbow radar and advanced sensors allow it to operate in any weather and give pilots excellent battlefield awareness. With strong armor, backup flight systems, and damage resistance, the Apache excels in close support, deep strikes, and anti-armor missions. The BMW Dune Taxi is an exciting electric concept car that looks more like something from a sci-fi movie than a typical BMW. It has a bold off-road design with huge tires, high ground clearance, and a strong body made from natural fiber-reinforced materials. The front has small, sleek versions of BMW's classic kidney grills. Powered by electric motors, it delivers 536 horsepower and an impressive 1,000 pound-feet of torque. With 400 millimeters of suspension travel, it's built to handle rough terrains with ease. Though it's an amazing idea, the Dune Taxi is just a prototype and won't be sold anytime soon. The Alpha Jax is an electric car made by Alpha Motor Corporation in the US. It's a small SUV with a sporty look and is expected to start production in late 2023. The car has a roomy interior, a simple and modern design, and a big touchscreen for controls and entertainment. It's made to be comfortable for everyday use and can also handle off-road driving. While the exact price isn't confirmed yet, it will likely start around $40,000. The Alpha Jax is a stylish and useful electric vehicle that may appeal to a wide range of drivers. The AI Trail Quattro by Audi is a modern, electric off-road car made for adventure enthusiasts who want to explore tough terrains in an eco-friendly way. It combines advanced technology with sustainability, offering a driving range of up to 400 miles on regular roads and 155 miles off-road. Its design includes wide panoramic glass, giving passengers a great outdoor view. One unique feature is its drone lighting system, which replaces standard headlights. While the price hasn't been revealed, the cutting-edge technology suggests it will be on the higher side. Audi has tackled issues like battery life and off-road performance by adding adaptive features and tough materials. As these technologies evolve, the AI Trail Quattro aims to deliver a fun, eco-friendly off-road experience, mixing style, comfort, and sustainability for outdoor adventurers. The Aqua House is a modern floating home designed for eco-friendly living on water. It combines luxury and sustainability, making it perfect for people who want a peaceful lifestyle close to nature. The house runs on solar power, collects rainwater, and uses energy-saving systems, so it's almost fully self-sufficient. Inside, it has stylish rooms with big windows that give amazing water views. Outside, there are multiple decks where you can relax or enjoy the fresh air. The Aqua House is a great choice for anyone who wants a high-tech, yet calm and comfortable way of living on the water. The ASAP hybrid helicopter is a new aircraft that combines traditional helicopter features with modern hybrid technology. It uses both electric power and regular fuel, making it more efficient, eco-friendly, and able to fly longer distances. Designed for civilian and military purposes, it has advanced engines that make it quieter and less polluting than normal helicopters. It can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for city travel, rescue missions, and exploration. This hybrid design is an important step toward greener aviation while still offering the speed, flexibility, and performance people expect from today's helicopters. The Atlas ATV is a powerful all-terrain vehicle designed to handle tough environments with ease. It's equipped with a 3LO V6 turbo diesel engine that produces 200 horsepower, ensuring excellent performance on different landscapes. The ATV has high ground clearance and an advanced suspension system, making it perfect for navigating rocky terrains, dense forests, and deep mud. With a length of about 15 feet and a width of 7 feet, it offers plenty of space for up to 6 passengers, making it ideal for both adventurous trips and professional use. Priced at around $120,000, the Atlas ATV combines strength, durability, and flexibility, making it a great choice for those looking for a reliable and powerful vehicle. The Annaberger Unicrawler is a smart farming tool designed to reduce soil damage when using heavy trailers in fields. It uses rubber tracks to spread weight more evenly, lowering ground pressure by over 2/3. Farmers can simply drive their regular wheeled trailers onto the Unicrawler, apply the brake, and the machine takes over. This allows standard road trailers to be used on soft ground without needing costly flotation tires. It helps save money, improve efficiency, and protect farmland. This high-tech system is ideal for tough field conditions, with prices starting around $200,000. The Agibot X2, also known as Link XEX2, is a small humanoid robot made by a Chinese startup called Agibot. It was launched in early 2025. This robot is about 1.3 meters tall and weighs nearly 34 kilograms. It can move like a human thanks to its 28 flexible joints, allowing it to walk, gesture, and act in a natural way. One of the most exciting things about the Agibot X2 is its powerful artificial intelligence. It uses Agibot's Go 1 model, which helps it learn new tasks on its own without needing special programming. It can also understand how people feel by looking at their faces and listening to how they talk. This robot is made to be helpful in everyday life. It can support elderly people by reminding them to take medicine or helping them move around. In schools, it could assist teachers. In stores and hotels, it could guide customers or provide service. At home, it might clean or keep watch for safety. BMW Motorrad's Vision Next 100 provides a glimpse into the future of motorcycles, imagining their design 100 years from now. While it's not a direct prediction, the concept showcases a bold vision for the next generations of bikes. The Vision Next 100 features composite elastic frames that replace traditional suspension and steering forks, alongside self-balancing gyroscopes and augmented reality visors. With AI-powered safety systems, it suggests that helmets may no longer be necessary. More of a daydream than a definitive plan, this concept explores how transportation could evolve in the distant future. The AH-64 Apache is one of the world's most powerful attack helicopters, known for its strength and reliability in battle. It is equipped with a 30mm M230 chain gun, up to 16 Hellfire missiles, and Hydra 70 rockets, making it deadly against armored targets. Powered by two General Electric T700 engines, it can reach speeds of around 293 km per hour while staying agile. Its longbow radar and advanced sensors allow it to operate in any weather and give pilots excellent battlefield awareness. With strong armor, backup flight systems, and damage resistance, the Apache excels in close support, deep strikes, and anti-armor missions. The DSX E10 is a concept car that reimagines driving in 2035. This electric vehicle combines advanced technology with a bold, futuristic design. Its asymmetrical body includes a driver's cockpit and a luxurious, cocoon-like passenger seat, offering both sporty performance and comfort. The car's electric motors provide impressive power, and it features an autonomous driving mode for a relaxed ride. With sustainability at its core, it uses eco-friendly materials, giving a peek into the future of luxury transportation. Though still a concept, the DSX E10 shows the potential for innovation in electric vehicles. While its price is unknown, its striking design and advanced features make it an exciting glimpse into what the future may hold. ZK Teco's fixed vehicle management solution is a smart system for managing parking and vehicle access. With over 1.47 billion cars globally, or one car for every 6 people, parking lot owners benefit greatly from systems like ZK Biocurity. The system uses special tags on vehicles and cameras in the lot. When a car is detected, ZK Biocurity searches its database from up to 12 meters away. Depending on the results, it either raises the barrier to allow entry or denies access. Besides the tag, the system can also check the car's license plate and even its color. Emergency vehicles, such as fire trucks and ambulances, are on a whitelist and can enter without any issues, while problematic drivers can be added to a blacklist. This system offers a secure and efficient solution for managing vehicle access in parking areas. Blue Origin's New Glenn is a powerful new rocket designed for space missions. It can carry up to 45 tons into low Earth orbit and is built to be reusable, helping reduce launch costs. The rocket uses 7 methane-powered engines on the first stage and 2 hydrogen engines on the upper stage for strong and precise performance. In early 2025, it completed its first flight, successfully reaching orbit and deploying a test payload, although the booster was not recovered. New Glenn is planned to support major projects like Amazon's Kuiper satellites, NASA's Artemis moon missions, and future Mars exploration. Astrobot S1 is an AI-powered robot developed by the Chinese company Astrobot, with the goal of providing robotic assistance to billions of people. Scheduled to be released this year, the S1 is capable of performing tasks like ironing and even doing tablecloth tricks. Although it doesn't have legs, its arms feature 7 degrees of freedom, just like human arms. Instead of fingers, it uses claws, which are more practical for its tasks. These claws can move at a speed of 10 meters per second and carry up to 10 kilograms in each hand. The company also highlights that the video showcasing the robot is not sped up. The Leo Coupe is a groundbreaking personal flying car that blends the ease of driving with the freedom of flight. Featuring a unique electric jet system and sleek aerodynamic design, it ensures a smooth flight experience. Safety is prioritized, with 100 lift jets for backup, an emergency glide parachute, and automated systems for takeoff, landing, and stabilization. At a price of around $459,900, this flying car provides a fast, secure, and efficient way to travel. It's designed to transform how we move, allowing for a new way to explore the skies. The Leo Coupe aims to reshape urban mobility with advanced technology and user-friendly controls.